Is your team impacted by Pivotal Tracker's end of service? Switch to Orangescrum, where possibilities expand beyond limits. Drive agility with advanced project management tools designed to keep your team on track. Stay organized with Orangescrum's real-time Kanban view for crystal-clear progress tracking. Save time with custom task templates that make task creation efficient and hassle-free. Transitioning from Pivotal Tracker to Orangescrum is seamless, fast, and worry-free. Build workflows uniquely tailored to your team's requirements with ease. Move all your data, tasks, and workflows safely with secure data migration. Assign, organize, and prioritize tasks with Orangescrum's efficient task management system. Plan and track your projects visually with Orangescrum's dynamic Gantt charts. Empower teamwork with Orangescrum's built-in communication and collaboration tools. Gain valuable insights with Orangescrum's comprehensive reports and analytics. Why wait? Start your migration to Orangescrum today and transform your project management experience.